Today we are playing my sunshine, messing around with feet. This is a different video because I'm using my voice. And these bad guys right here. Actually, no, police put me in jail because I forgot Bill's a junior. No more Roblox videos, by the way. Like 8 years. Let's see my friend. Back there. Hello, Toad. Bye bye. Okay, not your fault. So let's get ready. Yeah, boy. You get the area. Yeah, boy. I've had it someone ruin my wow. Great all of China. Does it mean anyone? Meatballs. Well, then, if we are met before, then why aren't you calling me Mario? Can I get up here? Because I know there's a minute, so I'll do things above here because why they didn't know no space to put on this. When they go touch the block bit, you just teleport all the way up into the sky. Logic. My car, Mario, Mario, jump up here. This is there. Oh. But I got my big fish. So no. Dominoes. How do I get out of this? Oh, the music slow down. Okay. Because the mama can stuck. I'm not a bad YouTuber. I'm a good one now. I'm a big feet. Okay, let's get teleported up to the. Why did you look me out? Give me it. Sheffield. No, no. Not me. No. On the 7 breakfast, poo. My breakfast come for you. Oh no, mama, mommy. Oh my towel. Give me the piece of you off the girl. Back, fist. Now I'm the wiener baza. Don't know what I'm doing anymore. Okie dokie. Mario 64 cheating. Too bad. Episode 3 coming out night. 2 years next year. Joking on that. No, probably next week. I'm not gonna upload daily, so I'm not on YouTube. And let's get 11 subscribers. Actually more, 12. Because I need 12 to be just about 6. I actually know I'm real joking, I don't. But subscribe to just about 6. Linky channel, I don't think he uploads anymore. The last video, him getting scammed and assassins. Whatever his channel's fan voices up. I'm not gonna play Mario 64 anymore. I just play Piggy 64. You make the pizza pa. Shigeru Miyamoto. Uncle Pokemon Bank. The Shin. I'm gonna try jump. I hear it. How dare you underestimate